Hey guys, in this video we're going to have a look at the joystick module of the cade. And as always, we are starting here from the main CPP file and including the joystick module here. First, let's have a look at the circuit. So here's how the joystick connected to the Banana Pi. The joystick works with two potentiometers. So depending on which direction we are moving, it changes the current which we are reading through the Y pin or X pin. Let's go back to the code, and here is the CPP file and here is a header file. Here is the joystick class. Here we have the initialize function which runs in the setup loop, and the read joystick runs in the main loop if joystick module is there. Then here we have our joystick pins for reading the Y and X axis and one for the power supply. This array is for the readings. And here we have the thresholds. This is joystick event matrix. And this is for the joystick state. Either an event is actuated or not. Then we have here two functions for one step or two. To understand what that means, let's have a look at the links app. So this is the joystick module. And if it looks like this, we are going to run the one step function. And if we have it like this, it's going to run the two-step function. And what it means, so I can, for example, have to, here on the first step, I'm walking in a game, and on the second step, I'm running, or I am just running. Now let's go back to the code. And these are for the actuating and actuating the actual events. Now let's go to the CPP file. In the initialize function, we're just initializing the pins for the joystick. Then we have here the read joystick function. Here we are reading the values of the X or Y axis. Then depending on the setting in the links app, we're going to run either one step or a two-step function. And here we have the one step function. Here we have a loop to run through all the axes, well, just two axes. And here we are actuating an event depending on the direction in which the joystick is moved, either positive or negative, and checking if the threshold was passed. And here we have the two-step function. It basically works in the same way. There are just more states to check, so different thresholds. And here are the two functions for actuating and deactuating the events. So again, we are calling here in the end the event module and passing from the joystick map matrix which event should be actuated. And it depends from the axis and the direction of the axis. So that's it for the joystick module. Bye bye.